Hello everyone, welcome back to the One Trade. This is the one. This channel is to record my day trade recap. So not only will record my all the trading operation, everything you see here, but also it will record my mental status and psychology situation. So it's completely for my recap. So feel free to comment. It's not for any investment advices or anything. We are not reliable for that. Today is December 18th, um, 9:18 a.m. PST. And I just open my chart and look at what I'm missing. Strong trend now is in the middle that I cannot get in because see, this is something previously verified. A support level that gets verified previously. So let's see the 15-minute chart. This is this is the overall downward channel. And yesterday we experienced all of this and the crazy last 10 minutes something. So during the Asian session, it just sideways. And in London session, it start to rise. And at the very beginning, like 6:30 this, it's like sideways, something like this for quite a while, and boom, to go to the top of this channel. It goes to the top and gets resistance. And for ES, it exceeds the top a little bit. So maybe I need to redraw the trend channel like from here to here. But anyway, for NQ is validates the resistance and falls back to here. Now it's around the middle of the trend channel. That is not good to operate anything. Oh, here I don't even have ENA 9. And what about style? Okay. And ENA 21. Uh, Something like green. Something, something. So I see, okay. I see, it's moving down. 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes shows some retest. Yeah, out of here is just a retest. I don't know. This looks like a flush and consolidation. This flush comes with some relatively big volume, but for this one, the volume is even bigger, but you know, some of them are buying volume, so it's not falling so much. So I'm not sure about if we retest the order block somewhere. We retest the order block of this one and keep going up because overall is trying to going up, but we'll see. We would like to see some confirmation, like some upward engulfing candle. And then, you know, okay, this is the time, then the buyers resume control. Otherwise, when it's moving, definitely we need to wait. We would like to see the completion of this candle. And the final support is somewhere here. Oh, it triggers here. So maybe this is this is the starting of fight back. See here. Okay. I'm not sure. So far, it's like retest. Probably like it will retest to ENA 9 or maybe ENA 21. I don't know. And maybe it's a reverse and get back and create a higher high. Higher high than the all-day high. Somewhere around here. I don't know. So, but in the downtrend, if you go long, that's like reverse trend trading. That's a little bit intimidating. a little bit intimidating, especially when you see 3 minutes. If you want to catch the ENA9, retest ENA9 here, it's very close. But if you trade like go long here, then your loss will be something here. So the reward rate, uh, reward and risk ratio is like 1:1. It's not worth the effort. But for now, we need to look at a bigger time frame. For example, 1 hour. Maybe I should just trade. Hey, if it's 1 hour, then don't make. In this way, we can better adjust this dynamically. We can better predict what's going on. Same thing here. As long as we align the top. Okay. And RSI. This is a RSI divergence. Higher RSI but lower price action. Okay. RSI divergence is effective on 15 on 1 hour chart. Oh, what's going on? So can I put a order? Okay. Cancel all. Scare me. All of this scare me. See, it only retest to here and it keeps going down. So that's why we never know where how much it goes for the retest. So reverse trend trading is very dangerous. Okay, it reaches the all this support level. It's gonna get rejected multiple times. So when can we go short? You need to obviously break down. I mean, obviously, for example, here, and then retest to allow this level, and then shows the engulfing downward candle. And that from there, we know that the upper bound is here. If you go short from here, the upper bound is somewhere here. Now, if we break out of here and retest here, shows the engulfing, then we know upper bound is here. Then we can go short from there. We just need a very clear confirmation, we need a verified confirmation that either the seller or the buyer control the market at this time. And we need a previously verified multiple times. We need a clear resistance or support that gets verified multiple times. Oh, at this support level, it starts to resume. It starts to resume. So when can we go long? There is a minor candle and some like upward engulfing all of this. But now it seems like it's trying to go down. I'm not sure if it go down directly or it keeps sideways multiple rounds. But obviously, if you go short from here, from where it is right now, then if it suddenly switch to like sideways, then you will figure out, okay, you go short at the bottom. That's what I did multiple times. So I know I'm not gonna do it. And I think even for ES, I can change the trend line somewhere here to here. And allow it to here. Boom, boom, boom. So this middle gets here and this. So this aligns the most recent trend. I mean, I'm trying to connect as much points as possible, but something. So, oh, I need to leave a little bit. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm back and see what we miss. This is still in a trend line. This is still in a sideways market. We cannot conclude is going up. So let's connect. Oh, what? What? Yeah. Or maybe I should change. Hmm. I should draw a trend channel. Maybe. Okay. That means this is no trading zone. Oh, it looks like if we close above this line, that means something. If it exceeds this previous high, that means something. Otherwise, it's still like sideways. Buyers and sellers are even. Nobody, nobody gonna win. Nobody wins. Yeah. So no trade. I don't care what's the task. Something like, hey, this is an engulfing candle at the support price level. Yeah, so it indicates the potential up, the starting of uptrend, and this one reject only like less than 6.6 of this engulfing candle, and it push up. So this setup is good, it's going up. No, sometimes it's not true. Oh, but wait a minute. This time it could be true. We'll see. Okay, it could probably retest to like a yen and nine. Let's see. Or maybe yen and 21. Feel the FVG somewhere here. There is a FVG. No here, not here. And there is a FVG here. That gets filled. So it bump up and there's a FVG here. So let's see how it reacts to this area. And this is between ENA 9 and ENA 21. Let's see. Well, sometimes you just need to be brave, even the information is not it is not complete. Like we see a strong rejection, we show engulfing candle, something here that we just need to go long. Go long maybe around here at point 6 of this engulfing. Oh, anyway, you'll see this one. Okay, retest. Retest to ENA9, ENA9. If you make a higher high, I just need to quit the trade. So I'm ready anytime. Yeah, quit the trade because it's trying to keep going up. I think it's gonna retest to ENA29, ENA9. For ES, it's retest to ENA9 and C. Because here you just break uh, underneath. Let's see. Wait a minute. How can I add a position at this time? I always trust retest. It seems like the real like resistance is somewhere here. ES gets rejected by yen and I. Well, NQ just hesitate. Oh, I hate this. Big scandal. If you want to engulf this, cover this, and it's almost most of the rage are eaten. But to go short at this one is a little bit risky. Who knows if the retest end is ending? God. Oh, it seems it wants to continue go up. What about yes? Oh, yes, keep going up. We'll see. Maybe this is consolidation, stretch, consolidation. And maybe this is a real resistance. Then the seller gonna step back, resume the control. Hmm. This is aggressive, very aggressive entry price level, and I probably will add another entry at somewhere above yen and I above this one if it reaches here, and if it exceeds, continue to go up, and this is actually the FVG. If we continue to go up, then I just quit. Oh no, this is just consolidation. It keeps going up. The retest is not ending. It looks like during this sideway, buyers win. So as I say, I'm gonna add a complementary somewhere here. Let's see how it behaves at unit 21. Because this is flush like something like this, so refill FVG. So I probably add a complementary here. We'll see. At the bottom of this and it exists, then I'll quit. But if we trigger this, then no matter what, as long as we make some micro profit, I will quit. I will leave the trade. That means this is too aggressive. This entry is too aggressive. Assuming yen and I will have meaningful rejection, something like this. But in answer, this is just consolidation and keeps going up. This result is horrible. Okay, I just see this is the previously verified resistance, and this is ENA 9, double FVG. All this lesson, all this technical analysis is not always reliable. They can only provide reference. So I will try to rescue this trade. See this, okay, it has some hesitance, some rejection around here. How long will it go? Overstretch. I see FVG here. I see FVG for this overstretch something. Not sure where is the top of this stretch candle, but okay. Looks like ES already exists ENA 21. And it seems it gets rejected here. ENA 21 on ES is performing some defense. Oh, okay. Is allowed this previous support, so it becomes resistance. Look at 5 minutes and see. This probably like a consolidation, something like this one, and keeps going up. Not sure, so I'll be safe to get this. The resistance will be bigger here. See, gonna resume upward. ES has already get to the previous resistance here, and you retest FVG. So we'll see. Wait for the reaction. Hmm. We would like to observe the evidence that it really get rejected rather than consolidation. Okay, it gets resistance here at the previous support. At the previous support, there is a new resistance that we will see. Will it trigger? Okay. This is the very resistance and start to resume from here, I guess. But I don't see any evidence. It's all green candle. Uh, oh, you're gonna keep going up? I need to prepare to give up. Looks like gonna trigger. Okay. It's gonna keep going up. But yes, is already outpace this one, outpace this level. Keeps going up, exceeds here, I'm gonna quit, but it's a little bit above unit 21. So if this is a reversal, you'll keep going up. But if this is a retest, then it's ending here and keep going down. Resume downtrend. That's what I will assume. Okay, this is the top. It seems strong resistance. Let's see how strong this resistance will become. Now it shows the real resistance here. So we'll set a, oh, no matter what, we'll set a stop loss here. 10. If it exceeds here, then I just quit. I have to quit. Okay, after it exceeds ENA 21, feel the FVG, and this is the previous verified resistance. The real resistance step in. Okay, okay. Keep going. And realistically, I would say the previous resistance will become a new support. So realistic speaking, I think this is a take profit somewhere here. Let's see. 5 minute. If it gets defended by yen and 9, that's not a good news. But it takes time to resume. Sellers takes time to resume control. So actually, I should enter into the market right here after it shows something like this. I enter too early. But it's fine through our operation. I think we enter here previously and grab here. So the average price becomes here. Yeah, that's maybe going short at the bottom of a side range, which is possible. Oh, seller resumes. Let's see if sellers arrive and break ENA 9 something, I will make the trading stop to be even. Hmm. Let's see, yes, how it reacts. 5 minute, yes, how it reacts to ENA 9. Okay, breakdown. That means the downtrend reduce. Keep going. For safe. I will see, yes. Let's see if yes can eventually. Because this candle is supposed to retest to here and something. So probably I can move the trading stop loss to here. Yeah, even it retest to here, but it gets defended by yen 21. That's not a good news. But for 5 minutes, it's still downward candle. So keep going. I'll hold this trade. Uh, what about 5 minutes? Yeah, we need to wait. 3 more minutes. We need to wait until the completion of this candle and see if we can really break out the ENA and confirm the resume, Dow, Dow trend resume. Hmm. Uh, realistic something. Take profits somewhere here. For here is like somewhere around here because this is the upper bound of previous sideways. So it means something. This is previous resistance and now becomes support. So before you enter into support, then I take profit. Yeah, that's the plan. ENA9 is performing some defense. Oh God. It seems like buyers are defending at ENA9 and ENA9 is trying to cross ENA21. Oh, it become irreduced sideways. See, I don't like this long rejection. See if this one keeps going up, I need to quit. Okay, it looks like it keeps going up. Sellers. I mean, for ES, it's only half, but for NK, it's already reached to the top. For ES, it's half. You get back half. I'm not sure who to trust because either one has some breakout. Oh, it seems ES shows some weakness to go up and resume back. NQ will just make a lower low and NQ will probably follow. I hope. I cannot add a position. The position is big enough. Very risky. Oh, star. Yes, shows star. Oh, this is consolidation. So stretch comes in, come back in. I will see this time. If this becomes a triangle, then I probably need to quit because I go short at the lower bound of the triangle. But how come it takes so long? Because ES shows an intention to go down, see? But NQ shows a parallel sideways, while ES shows an intention to gradually go lower, lower, lower. I mean lower high, lower high, lower high. But the low is not lower low. 4 more minutes, we'll see this candle. See if you can break. Okay, get rejected second time. Buyers are defending. Looks like buyers are defending. Sellers are still trying to push down. Mm. For NQ, buyers are strong, so it's sideways. But for ES, it shows lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high. NQ just want to go up. Hmm. I want to leave this trade. This is ridiculous risk reward ratio, but and it really depends if you trigger my stop loss first. For ES, hey, ENA 21 performance and defense, it looks like. If you retest to here, I promise I will quit the trade with less than 100 profit. Oh, risk reward ratio is like 500 risk and 100 profit. I want to leave this trade. Oh, you kicked me out. NQ shows a higher high. It close about here. Mm. But it's not good because this is the resistance, something. I will see the resistance and looking for the signal to go short. So I just trying a retest. Believe that this is the start of a retest. But I got wrong. Mm. So never hurry to get into the next trade. It looks like Ian is defending, but this one, let's see this price level. Wait until it's obvious. Oh, I have some opportunity to get out of the trade with some profit. It's just a little bit greedy because I believe, okay, this theoretically, this is a strong rejection and it starts to resume. So I don't get out of it. I just expecting it keeps going down, but quickly bounce back. Now for here, you're gonna sideways and in some setup. Why I cannot dismiss that one? Can I put the train? Okay. So yeah, this shows some resistance. So probably it was sideways. I'm not sure. Because it has for NQS close above this sideways range. So I'm not sure if this is a retest or something like this. Sideways, still in the sideways. Looks like it's in the sideways, yeah. Trend line, trend channel. So let's draw this sideways. Hmm. Okay, as long as it's in this sideway. But for 5 minutes, then the ES does not leave a lot of opportunity for us. Oh, this is engulfing. If we set the stop loss somewhere here, we'll get get out of the trade with some profit. You never know. We'll see. 2 more minutes. Let's wait for the compression of this candle. Because for ES is now outpace, it can be rejected. And NQ is still, somebody is still defending here. Uh, and you think it's resumed, but sometimes it can be still sideways, and this is a higher high. See, this is higher high. Trend line. Let's draw the trend line. Oh, it looks like gonna break out of the trend line. Last minute, we'll see. Now it's still defense by the ENA lines. Yes, just break out the ENA line. Oh, gas defense. Sell. I think you're gonna close. The last minute, you're gonna close underneath something and retest a little bit to get us on board. Okay, if it keeps going down or it keeps going back, then I need to be more conservative. Like 0.6. This is 0.6. Okay, get us on board. And then this is not looking good. This means it's still defense by the ENA line. This is still defense. So I'm not sure if this is a retest or still sideways or reversal. If it gets rejected here at 0.6 of this overall candle, that means this is a retest. And we'll see. So some resistance will be here. This is the complementary rescue order. If you can really break to here and grab and you retest somewhere, I quit with a couple of dollars of profit. But if you get rejected, I see you show some weakness and going downward. Okay, I let you fly somewhere here, probably here. Yeah, this is the support level. Uh, you're gonna continue sideways. In this way, even in sideways, then I reduce my loss because I only lost like half. But if I go short here, go doom, doom, I should click chart first and then draw the trend line. Yeah, this way. So you already test to the upper bound. Like that, I think for NQ is even more because it has an intention to go up, but this shows a very strong, very firm like resistance. Something, something, something. If you still meet here, then probably I need to think of an exit. Oh, it's still supported by the uptrend. Hmm. Hmm. It moves here, so it's a parallel. It looks like a parallel. Oh, and this one is also parallel. Something around here. Okay, it back to parallel sideways. And we are in the drop down. And we need to figure out how to leave this trade. Use this one to grab the average something, and when you retest a little bit of, with some profit, I quit, quit. Buyers gonna try again. Oops. Okay, ready to quit. Ready to quit. 10. Ready to quit. Hey, will you retest to yen 9 again? 1 minute. So let's wait for the compression of this 5 minute. Hmm. Looks like seller cannot push back. This is supposed to be a resistance level. Never doubt this. Mm. Will it break? CES. CES. Okay, it break out and wait for the retest to exit. God, Jesus. Yeah, it's gonna go up. The is gonna go up. Does not retest. So this is the retest. And this is our last opportunity to leave the trade by miss. I just want to wait for a retest to somewhere here. Then I will leave. You never retest. You never retest to ENA live. Come on, one more retest. Okay, I think it is somewhere here. Definitely you are out of bound. Look at how much I lose today. Lose more than 1,000, then I quit. I exit trading. 18, 17, 18. Okay, it's 500, 400. Oh, almost 1,000. Uh-oh. It back is coming back. So I'll wait until it reach this level and we'll see. This looks like, okay, sideways consolidation in the middle and keep going up to me. No, not gonna try. This is like tricky situation. So things are going up. Sideways consolidation and go up. But for ES, there's so much distance. But for NQ, it's already in this battlefield. So I'm not sure. Oh, battlefield. order block. I see some resistance here is trying to fulfill the FVG here, and FVG here. Doesn't work. FVG doesn't work. A 5 minute RSI, no divergence. Maybe the best thing to do is just not putting any trade. It looks like it's trying to go up, but it also shows a lack of momentum. No. What's 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour. Let's wait. It just retest here, only in the middle, and bounce back dramatically. Now you're gonna reach here, and we'll see how it performs here. We would like to see something like this to show engulfing downward candle. Then I'm gonna go short around here. Something similar. But this is like cheating. When you show here, then a lot of people will go short from here, then they get trapped. So I will wait around here. And what about ES? Okay, ES gonna be here. So it's a long way. This is missing. It becomes a new consolidation, I guess. Wait for a couple more candles and see. I really want to see the decreasing of the upward momentum. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strong candle. Push back. Okay, keep going up. Keep going up. Now it's like uptrend, so I'm not gonna go short, but I cannot go long because it's coming close. It looks like triangle again. It's like big triangle. Mm. It looks like it's trying. Bias keeps trying. We see a strong rejection here. So once it arrives here, maybe it gets rejected. Okay, I'm not sure. If this is a new sideway, or it can break out. Oh, we need to stick to our trading principle. Once the complementary the rescue order gets triggered, then just quit. Just quit. Don't think of any something like suppose I can make some profit, decent profit here, but okay, I just be greedy and don't set the trading stop loss, so I get loss. Okay, it shows consistent profit, consistent resistance here. Hmm. Guess we will push to somewhere to here again. It shows some consistent. If it gets a higher high, close the higher high, then I probably need to quit. But the pushback does not even push something here, you just push it to here. The power is not strong enough. I'm not sure. It also means the buying power is not strong because the trading volume becomes smaller and smaller. And there's no RSI divergence. So 1 more minute. Oh, you do not even trigger the previous high. Okay, get me ball in the trade. You're gonna break out in the last minute. Oh, you sideways, finish sideways, and keep breakout. Is that true? I think it's very struggle to push up. It can be consolidation. Oh. So it's stretch in the last minute. See this candle. It should fall back at this level. But if it keeps going up, I just need to quit. See this level should behave like rejection. Hmm. Keep going up. It hits this resistance level again, so probably will get back to here. Last time it hits here, it gets rejected here. So this time I will probably like set a realistic take profit here. Get pushback. Hmm. That does not look good. That looks like it's leaving away the yen and nine, and the buying momentum keeps increasing. So probably this is our last chance to escape. But I think this is the rejection line from around here is becomes like weaker. See, you cannot push. Oh, yes, keeps going up. NQ, somebody in NQ gonna sell. Okay, get out of the trade. I think I make 480 something. I'm not sure. Oh, point two. Hmm. But after 3 minutes, it has now fall back. That means the resistance from this line is weaker. Last time it triggers here and it get rejected to here. This day it just buyers keep pushing up. And I see ES is making a new high. So NQ will probably follow. Oh, oh, don't treat me like this. ES is making a new high. No, it gets rejected. So probably you will retest to unit 9. I'll see. 1 more minute. Last time you guys rejected to here. So I will see this time. If it's less than here, then still a higher high. Then I'll keep this trade. Oh, it's 250. Risk $250. Okay, yen and I, the bias. This time you only get rejected here. Last time you get rejected here. So resistance power becomes weaker. And buyer power become accumulated. See, ES is making a higher high. What about NQ? NQ should follow ES breakout to the upside. So I will check ES something around here. Then for NQ, well, I will see. Once ES arrive here, then I'll flatten. It's not convenient to set a take profit for NQ at this time. Oh, it looks like this is a new sideway. Come on, ES already break out. How come NQ is still like sideways? But ES is maybe I should trade ES something. So once ES arrive here, let me see 1 hour chart. Once ES arrive here, NQ will outpace. or outpace somewhere around here. Well, it's probably going to be here. But even that, I do not treat it as a breakout because ES is not breakout. We're just showing a resistance aligning the trend line. Let's see if I can say, oh, 3 minute is not yet there. It's not there yet. This is just a breakout pattern. Keep going up. Once you make a higher high, then I'll set the trading stop loss. Come on, just consolidate here. And it should be a stretch around here and keep consolidating, right? Oh, 1 more minute. It become something here. Okay, resume. Resume uptrend. That's what I can figure out. Press the gas. Don't be greedy. Hey, okay. 3 more minutes. This one supposed to be an upward candle. Let's see how far you can go. And that being said, higher high. Yes, go with a higher high. I think you go with a higher high. Okay. You just said something. Set a stop loss here. Make sure I never lost even for the sudden reversal. Oh, see if you can close above the peak. of the previous candle. CES. Mm. ES. Okay, 3 more minutes. Create some buffer. A little bit concerned. Uh, Something like slash, something like this is not healthy. So you will have some bounce back. The thing is that the bounce back is coming to the end. If this is not a reversal, this is not a liquidity something, then this is coming to the end. What's going on? What's going on? One more minute. See if ES close to be a can close above the higher the previous high. We get pushback. It gets pushback. See this one. If it keeps falling, okay, it looks like it keeps going up. Then it feels like a consolidation, growing slowly and stretch and slowly stretch, right? A little bit concerned about the retest, so I move a little bit more to protect my. Oh! It triggers again. Too greedy, then lost this opportunity. And let's see if this is a potential. Back to 5 minute chart. Okay, ends up the resistance is valley here. So should not be too greedy. Just look at the NQ chart. Don't look at the ES chart. ES chart for reference only. But ES already shows some like engulfing, downward engulfing. Only 1 minute. Only the first minute I'll see. Because NQ shows a very weak downward intention. Oh, keeps going up. God damn. But it don't make a high high. It doesn't. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, it has engulfing. While NQ, if this shows engulfing and NQ something, I'm not sure if NQ will follow. Oh, 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 oh. Video retest. My ES already shows engulfing downward. And when it triggers here, when you arrive here, so this is the confirmation signal I'm waiting for. While NQ is also touching the resistance level. Wait and see how it reacts to yin and I. The switch is not so direct, I guess. Need to wait, see engulfing first. Will you bounce back or go straight down? Okay, pick us up and continue go down. Probably you get rejected by ENA line because, but this, I'm not sure if this is sideways. If it's sideways, something like this, I will not be surprised. But okay, he arrives here again, reject here, come back to here and get reject. So this proved to be a his resistance also effective. It's just a matter of how strong this bounce back gonna be. Oh, how strong it gonna be? There will be some sideway here. I will not be surprised if there are sideway here. Then I will get out of trade. But if something every time it shows, no, this is not engulfing, not engulfing, but this is engulfing. So I probably need to will go short and get kick out. Not engulfing. Oh, engulfing. Oh, I get kick out. But the one, two, the third time when it shows something like this, then I do it again. And if I get this, then I get all the loss from previous one back. Oh, yes, it's showing. Let's see, yes, if we can. Then I don't think I need this. Instead, I will probably need this. As a trading stop loss, make sure I never lost. Just in case you bounce back. 3 more minutes. See if you can close underneath the ENA 21. So the ENA 9, we are trying to cross the ENA 21, something. Oh, 3 more minutes. Uh, uh, uh. Some bounce back at ENA 21 for yes. See if ENA 9 is a good defense. Okay, pushback. So the seller's defense at ENA 9. They said, I guess a lot of sellers just selling me order right there. Sell. I will not rush to increase position. I will wait for some certain safe area, safe buffer. I will get bounce back. 2 more minutes. So we get bounce. Oh, that's reasonable. That's previous upper bow of the sideways. So some resistance, some support right there. Previous resistance becomes now support. Same thing here. Previous resistance becomes now support. And we'll see. Okay, this becomes previous support. See if we break out this previous support, close somewhere up around here. That means I will move my trading stop loss. That will be pretty safe. But this is like FVG, so a lot of back and forth around here. Okay, I can trade around here. Let's see. Oh, it bounced back. So will we bounce back out? So ENA 21 ends out to be a valid defense. Is that true? And ENA 9 is seller defense. I'll see. Deep and close underneath this line. Now it's just some up and down. Not safe yet. Even at this time, it can be treated, it should be treated as a retest. And oh, you're gonna kick me out. It should be treated as a retest. Then the retest is ending. Okay, retest is ending. So ENA 21 is a valid defense. Breakout, retest. It's just simple as that. Three more minutes. I should move to ENA 21. ENA 21 is a valid defense. Okay. Oh, we keep going down. Don't fool me. That means I still need to check the completion of the candle. Can you close underneath ENA 21? Then I'll quit the trade. Oh, really? You can close. You can close. So this is a deep retest. Oh no. Oh no, let's see. Then it starts to flush. Starts to flush. I will probably think of get out of this trade. Once you retest again to ENA 20 to ENA 9, and I'll quit. For ES, okay, break to the downside. So this is the next. Okay, it does not close underneath ENA 21. Still, ENA 21 defense. See if the downward momentum keeps decreasing. So this is my stop loss. Okay, eventually at the upper bound of the previous sideway. Some buyers step in. Is that correct? Okay, it shows buyers are strong. It still not exceeds this line. This proved to be some new resistance. Multiple times get verified. So I'll stick my trading rule, quick something. Cause probably chances are that it's gonna be sideways. It's gonna be a sideways market. And stick to my trading rule. Yeah. Don't be greedy. The retest is not ending. Let's see. This is the trade sideways. Unless it exceeds this one. Even it shows multiple attack, as long as it does not exceed this trend line, that means the retest at this time is still retest unless it exceeds here. But for this one, it's also a retest. So the market keeps going up and it keeps going up. So probably this is just a retest, but I'm just waiting for the confirmation signal. Then the retest is ending. Guess what? Oh, the ES has something like this. Chamber. Wait a little bit more. So this is the chamber. Wait for the confirmation signal. See if the assuming that this will be trigger multiple times, retest multiple times. Oh no. Will you trigger my order? If you exceed like lower low, then I will quit. Proceed just retest couple of times and it looks like the retest is not ending. Then you going down, create lower low, and that's very dangerous. Let's see. The buyers are performing some defense here. Okay, the new candle. We'll see. Oh no, it keeps going down. Looks like the retest is ending. So overall, the ENA9 is coming close to ENA21. This is downtrend, but unless it exceeds here, then so I will probably set a complementary order here. Fine. Oh, it keeps going down. Up to here. Here is retest. Something here. No. So this is not a very support. He gets some support, bounce back a little bit, and seller eventually get a triumph over buyer. Oh wait, this looks like some support, very support. But it's not bounce back a lot. Mm-hmm. Then we'll see. Let's get out of this trade. That means the retest is not ending. Oh, it keeps breaking out. But ES is not break out this one. While NQ has already break out this. Video. Something like somebody would like to go short, so trap them. Bounce back somewhere around here. Oh, 3 more minutes. Never retest. How come? Today is something like this market. It never retest. It's some huge momentum like this. Come on. Uh, so, this is gonna be my take profit. As soon as you reach here, I will quit. So I think you're gonna retest to somewhere here, but I don't know. Go straight down something like this. Never retest back to the sideway. Oh, see, 3 mini. Oh, 3 mini. It looks like some minor rejection here. For ES, it already shows some bounce back, 5 mini bounce back. Okay, you should retest to ENA line. Oh no. ES shows some bounce back. Pretty pressure, very pressure during this time. I see ES 5 mini is bounce back. It should retest to ENA 9. So this is my only hope. Okay, buyer step in and bounce back. We'll see. You retest to ENA 9 and you retest to 5 mini ENA 9. Something like here. So we'll see. But for now, it's not evident enough. This is just minor retest. It's not a reversal. I'm waiting for the reversal. Come on, this looks like very huge size. And you always want to give up. Then the buyer step in, somebody just trigger stop loss and quit. I cannot increase size anymore. It's big enough and it's not evident enough, then it's a reversal. If it's evident enough, then it almost reach my point. It does not make sense to add position. So just wait. What's going on with the market? Is some maybe I see 3 mini will be more obvious that this is down trend. It get rejected multiple times here. It's just look at different chart and different like setup, get me a different perceivable. How long will the retest go? I think this is a reversal. I mean, I have a bias because I'm in a long trade. It could probably only retest to here because this is the upper bound of the previous sideway. So I don't know. Okay, a new 3 more minute. If this, okay, I probably will set a stop loss here. Oh, buyback, finally. I almost want to give up. I think we'll eventually arrive at what's that? The yen A5. Mm-hmm. Okay, yen A5. Scare me. Oh my God. Holy shit. Scare me, really. What's going on? Huh. 714. 57. 100 something something. Guess what? I should be positive, right? Because the last is 714. Oh my God, that's I almost lose all my capital blow up. This is pretty much like a gambling. Balance something something and max balance something something. Okay. Couple of bucks. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. I lose 1,000 and then I make buyback. Not gonna get into the trade. This. Okay. We're gonna 714. 27. 23 something. So it exceeds one more. Okay, retest to yen and nine. Okay, and keep going down. That's fine. So we need to buy five here. There's super volatility and tracing. I will see. Let's see. At this time, it looks like a retest, but the retest is ending, so it should go down. Strong momentum gets through. But at this time, I'm not sure. Maybe it's a reversal. And yeah, yes, okay. It closed. It closed above. It closed above this business this line and keeps now this kind of seems is going down. Sellers, sellers assemble. Yeah, yes, close underneath this one con to confirm downtrend resume. I think this is gonna be a flush, but I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna be greedy. Not easy to sell, huh? Look at here. Is it just consolidate a little bit and then suddenly crash? So you should at least arrive here, and you should not make a higher high. So I make a buy stop loss here. Make sure I never lost. Woo! Okay, a new 5 minute candle. So the ENI keeps going down. It's already crossed. This is downtrend. So to go short makes me feel safe. It's just that it's still too far away from ENI. So there are possibility that you retest to ENI, but when you retest, then exceeds my entry price. Then what if it becomes a reversal? Then I lose. So I just assume that okay, this is a reverse cup handle, reverse cup handle. So probably you will reach the previous support, which is the upper bow of the sideways somewhere around here. If you look at 3 minute, yeah, it's sideways. It's very easy to get check if I go long at a breakout. But after we observe, this is something I should break out. So this is the lesson I learned and I apply here. If you, when it goes to here, I'm not there to go short. But when it reverse, then I'm gonna go short. I can set it here. If I get kicked out, then I get kicked out. Oops. Resume. Get pushed back and recharge. Okay, a new 3 minute candle. Keeps moving down. Gets recharge here and keeps moving down. If you exceed the lower low, then I move the trading stop loss to here. This time it's possible get back here. Oops. Reverse is handing. I think it's complete like cup handle. Mm-hmm. Keep going down. If you make a new exceeds the new low, make a lower low, then I'll move the okay. Right. I'll move the trading stop to your upper side. So keep going. 300. And this is at least 400. Yes, shows a continuation. Okay, low. I make it to the upper bow. And one more minute, we'll see. If ES can finish the reverse cup handle setup a little bit here. Hmm. Okay, keeps going down. This new candle keeps going down. Oh, doom. Maybe I should just take profit here. If I get kicked out here, I'm also happy. At least I guess. I mean, 200. It's a little bit far away from yen and 9, so probably it will retest and kick me out. Okay, it kicked me out. So maybe at this solid should not be too greedy. I get the lesson again. I cannot go short from here. Come on. This time is done. I get this one. I get this one. I'm happy. Done. So this probably like a retest to yen and 9. Because currently it's still downtrend. Super strong downtrend. So I wait for it retest to yen and 21 and go short. From there. Get back to 5 minutes. Huh. Okay, 400. I still have a 400 trading stop loss distance. Not gonna try for this one because it looks like it cannot even finish the complete setup. Reverse cup handle setup in one shot. And after getting rejected by this, it gets pushed back here. Last time is here. This time is here. So we can see there's a trend line. There's a trend line. Oh, oh, it finished. It finished the complete setup for the reverse cup handle. I'm not sure, but it only pushed back to here. And probably like this trend line. I would like to see where this trend line goes. Oh, where this trend line goes. Wait for the completion of the candle. Let's see. This is like deep retest and may continue to go down. See if he can close underneath this trend line. But here we have this, and this low is somewhere here. So no divergence, no RSI divergence. Yeah, if the candle is so small, that's fine. If some upward candle can engulf this one, then that's a very clear signal. But if it's something like this one, to cover it is not easy. Good thing is we get it right. It triggers the ENFI retest something here. This is not something. This is not healthy. But next time it should be. Oh, it does not close. So maybe does not close. So this channel is still effective. Oh, just above this line. We'll see. I only expect a retest somewhere to here, which means it's continue like sideways because this is a verified support. But if it exceeds here, I will quit. Let's see 3 minutes. Oh no. Oh no, I will quit. Multiple retests. I'm still pushed to the downside. So I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell it here. Outbound is going outside of gonna try me again. Come on. So I go short. I go short at the bottom again. If you retest to here. I should not use market order. because I think I'm gonna retest to somewhere. So I'm gonna be conservative. EN9. And after EN9, you will retest. And when you retest, I quit the trade. That's the plan. But if you do not trigger, then that means this is a retest. Keep going down. This is the plan. To rush. I try to rush. How much I lose just now? 455. So I get back to 1370, less than yesterday's close price. Hmm. Always use yeah, always use limit order. Do not use market order. Market order gonna impact it by emotion. Say, hey, you're gonna continue to go down. Retest is ending. No. If I use limit order, I'll probably set somewhere here. Look at this candle. Keeps going up, and I quit. Okay, keeps going down. Then this is just retest. Retest is ending. Hmm? Cannot push down. That means the support is valid. Oh, I don't like this rejection. Oh, I don't like this rejection. But this is still, it seems this is still sideways. I'm gonna retest to yen 9. But this is not, does not look like retest. So this is like pretty much like gamble. Let's look at, yes. Yes, has not break out of the sideways range. So it's not good to make any trades. What about 3 minute? Okay, 3 minute. Um, Sell because this is the top. This is the complementary. ES already engulfed. That's a good sign. Oh, get rejected. Come on, ES already engulfed. And it's downtrend. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if I use limit order, I'll probably like wait for one more candle and do a short around here, but not sure because I see this trend line and it's effective engulfing in this trend line engulfing. So probably I'll go long. And actually I go long and get trapped. Let's see. Looks like it does not close underneath this one. That means sideways. This support is still valid. Sideways continue. Okay, brace. Then the next level is like here, 5. This is my take profit. Yes, come on. Okay, flush. Finally. I just go short at the bottom. So I lose this distance, which is supposed to be 200. Mean 200. I should do something, but there is no so much. I should, even here, I should not conclude that, okay, going up. I should wait one more candle and see, okay, this becomes the new resistance, micro resistance up here. And when it exceeds here, oh, this is too long. So maybe probably like I will until it exceeds here, and I will go short here. So, okay, I will. No matter what, I will put a short entry here. It's just that put in too early when it's something. So I should wait until it gets back something something. So in this way, I will. Oh, you're gonna retest. Okay, if you retest, I'll probably add a position. But ENNI keeps expanding. So okay, retest to here. That's fair. That's fair. Which is previous support because new resistance after it breaks out. Yeah, that's still alive with textbook. I should keep in mind and observe how far it bounced back. Because I just see, okay, there's some resistance and some engulfing. Then at this critical level that proved to be a support, then I go long. So that's why I get trapped. Yes, bias is bias is trying to regain control but get pushed back. I like this. As a short, in a short position, I like this long rejection, but not there to add a position right here. Because it could probably retest to here, and after you test here, I add a position. But if it don't retest to here, it just goes straight to here. I'm fine. We just make little by little. Okay, I need to join a meeting, so probably I need to be recording.